With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. And the question says we have to define the reflex action and also state its significance. How do plants respond to external stimulus? So let's move one by one. So first of all, let's look at what is the reflex action. The reflex action is the spontaneous action of the body in presence of external stimulus. So the simplest form of response in the nervous system is the reflex action. This reflex action is rapid as well as automatic and not under the control of voluntary muscles or voluntary actions. They are not the voluntary actions. Voluntary actions are those actions which are under the control of brain. So this is called as reflex action. The pathway taken by nerve impulse in a reflex action is called as reflex arc. Reflex actions are the actions which we perform without thinking to protect ourselves. Suppose, let's give some example. Coughing. Coughing is the best example. Coughing is a reflex action which clears our windpipe. More example can be the example of eyes. Basically, we have pupil in the eyes which contract or dilate. So this is also a reflex action. And this reflex action is very much important because if this reflex action is not present, then what can happen? Eyes can be damaged. Now moving next, that how do plants respond to the stimulus? Plants respond to the external stimulus. Plant responding to the stimulus. What type of stimulus basically? Stimulus can be light, touch, etc. A growth movement of a plant part in response to an external stimulus in which the direction of stimuli determines the direction of response is called tropism. So here we have one term called as tropism. Suppose we are touching some leaf. We are touching some leaf, and due to the touch, the direction of the leaf will be changed. This is called as tropism. If the growth of the plant part is toward the stimulus, like suppose here we have the plant and here we have the sunlight. Sunlight falls on the plant, and if this leaf bends towards the sunlight, bent towards light, this is called as positive tropism. Whereas If it is vice versa, then called as negative tropism. So this is what tropism is. And when it is responding toward the light, one term is called as phototropism. Photo means light, tropism means direction due to external stimulus. If plant respond to certain chemicals, then it is called as chemotropism. So what type of tropism it is? It is called as chemotropism. And if a plant responds to water, it is called as hygrotropism. So these are some type of tropism. And if the direction is not with respect to the stimulus, like either it is not in the direction, not opposite the direction, then we can call that term as Nasdaq movement. Which type of movement? Nasdaq movement. If we look at the definition of Nasdaq movement, then we can say the direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus. Direction of response is not determined by the direction of stimulus. This is called as Nasdaq movement, like the stimulus of touch. Example, the opening up of the petals of dandelion flower in morning in bright light and closing in the evening when the light fades is an example of Nasdaq movement, and in that case the stimulus is light. I hope you understand each and everything here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.